Hi guys, it's Nunu and I'm here with you in discussion 6, Little Snow White, 1812, The Most Beautiful Girl in Town, 1983, and Vindication, 1792, 1,000 words, 120 points. Okay, let's scroll down and survey this assignment. The first thing we see is this girl's beautiful blinking eye and this colossal vocabulary word, amaranthine. Okay, we are concerned with this definition: eternally beautiful and unfading, everlasting, undying, immortal, and I have a pronunciation of amaranthine right here for you. Okay, now amaranthine relates to our term paper word, which is pulchritude, and pulchritude is great physical beauty and appeal. Okay, let's go back into the discussion directions and continue to survey it. After this word, amaranthine, we have 3 links, a timeline, we have an assignment purpose, and we have a discussion rubric. I will be clicking on and reading the timeline with you so you're aware of due dates, but I'm going to ask you to read the assignment purpose and the discussion rubric on your own. The assignment purpose, of course, is what I hope for you to learn and think about in this assignment, and the discussion rubric is how I evaluate your work in the discussion. Okay, let's scroll down and evaluate the rest of the assignment, survey it. We have a part 1 and we have a part 2. Okay, so let's read part of the directions for the part 1 so that they're clear to you. In 750 words, 3 pages, answer the 4 questions below, and in each of your answers, quote at least once from either the Grimm brothers' Little Snow White, Charles Bukowski's The Most Beautiful Woman in Town, or Mary Wollstonecraft's A Vindication of the Rights of Woman, for a total of 4 quotes. Use correct MLA 8 format, which you reviewed in the MLA quizzes in modules. Okay, so the 4 questions you have to answer are right here, 1, 2, 3, and 4. At the end of the screen, you do have help with quoting right here. And you can access these stories, the Grimm brothers' Little Snow White, Bukowski's The Most Beautiful Woman in Town, and Wollstonecraft's Vindication in these links here. If these links do not work, scroll up to the left menu to Pages, click on Pages, and then View All Pages. And you will find the works in here. We see Little Snow White right away. Scrolling down, we see The Most Beautiful Woman in Town, and then we see A Vindication of the Rights of Woman. Okay, let me use the back arrow to get back into our assignment. And let's scroll down to part 2. Part 2, write a minimum of 125 words, half a page, in response to 2 peers' postings for a total of 250 words, 1 page. What should you write about? Compare your answers to the questions with your peers' answers. And by your answers to the questions, of course, I mean your answers to questions 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, I'm going to scroll up and I'm going to click on the timeline so we're aware of the due dates. Post part 1 by 11:59 p.m. on Thursday, and post part 2 by 11:59 p.m. on Saturday. If you think you cannot meet this timeline, come over here to inbox, email me, let me know what's up, and I'll try to help you and find out why you're submitting late and what we can do about it to make you successful in the course. Okay, I'm going to click on the back arrow, and I'm going to scroll back up to discussion 6. Let's see that beautiful eye here and the word amaranthine. And I'm going to remind you that I'm here in inbox. No question or concern you have for me is too little. You're never ever bothering me. Email me as many times as you need to if this assignment is not clear. I rely on you to help me learn how to teach well. Okay? You're my student, but I'm also yours. Okay, so let's get started on discussion 6. And remember, I'm here and I care about your learning.